Brad Williams, Excel primed, split honorifics, name, title, and salary into columns in a new list. You're asking, what's an honorific? Honorific would be Mr., Mrs., Doctor, what have you. That is the official definition by Webster. We want to split that up. We can do that. We're not going to do that here. We can do it here and going to split using the list constant. Show the outcome, and you can see it's not anything different than what we've done previously. We're going to split this by a space and or a comma space. See, Brian, Ron, James works fine. Ms. Cynthia Oliver, owner, 45K. Now, I suspect there's probably spaces intermixed with this data, which is a weakness. This should be addressed. A trim should be accompanied with a trim, but we're not going to deal with that right now. What's helpful here, you can recognize we're putting the entire list constant, and that's this information within the curly brackets, as I've mentioned previously, as opposed to trying to incorporate this with multiple cumbersome delimits. This will allow us to incorporate multiple within the columns. This is a multiple delimiter within the column argument. In this example, we go one step further. We're going to incorporate specific terms that we don't want included, or we split. We're going to split at Mr. We have a Ms. What's the output? Cutting out Ms. Going to show first last name. Mr. What do we have here? Cutting out Johnny Johnson. We're also, in order to split this thing up, we're using our normal process. Keep in mind, we're going to use this ignore empty and put it as true. And the output, you can see here, we have this CFO and we have this split. There must be a space there, or our delimiter is a nope. The question is there a space here? There is. And that's why we have this breakup. And you can see how cumbersome this is. I don't know if this is helpful or not, but you get the gist. You can see how we can incorporate all kinds of nifty stuff within this list constant. For your traditionalists, you're going to go, that's an array constant. Potato, potato. Here's the anatomy. Here's the write-up. Very short, sweet, to the point. Similar to my discussion here. You can incorporate this. You can put the doctor name in there. You could put Mr. and Mrs. and what have you. Be creative. It's all about practice. The wrap of the text manipulation tools to practice this thing. Become an expert. Show me a thing or two. Show me your ninja. Show me your ninja side. These text functions and text tools. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.